To do a squishy tag, and I made this one up, I think, and I'm going to be doing my 5 newest squishies. And first squishy, I got this today, and as you guys know, because I just made a video today, it has a little pop-up. It has a little pop-up. It's not a very big pop-up, but can you see that pop-up? And it has magnets. And this is the licensing. I ordered it from eBay. It's a kawaii squishy. It has a pop-up. It's just really hard to tell because it's really big. And here, let me take it out of the package. So soft. It's a wrist pad. You can rest your... Smells straight up like a helium balloon or chemicals. You guys can see the pop-up inside by my nails. I do need to repaint them. But here's the back side. It's really big. And so that's number 1. Number 2 is there's a basketball. It is not a crush ball. I thought it was, but I got it from Dollar Tree. Here's the licensing. It's a basketball one. Number 3 is this soccer ball. Thought it was a crush ball as well. Got it from Dollar Tree, and the licensing is peeling off. You can't see it that well. So. And then the next newest thing that I got was this miniature boy panda bun. It's really small, and it's really small. This one's really squishy. Has a pop-up, and then that is number 4, and then number 5. And is the last one. This blush bun. Oh wait, no, not this one. Oh yeah, this blush bun. I put all my newest squishies in here with like this cute little but yeah. So those are my top 5 most newest squishies. This one. Sorry about that noise in the background, my sister. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.